അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അടുത്ത നമ്മുടെ വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥി, we have our chief guest here, Mr. Stanley Fernandez, VP Distribution, South Asia, BBC. I would like to invite you for a few words. Stanley Fernandez, VP Distribution, South Asia, BBC.
Thank you. Hi. Good morning, everyone. My name is Stanley Fernandez, Vice President Distribution at BBC Studios, India. It is an absolute pleasure to be here at the Mega Cable Fest organized by the Kerala Cable Communications Private Limited. Thank you. Should I start again? I'll just start again. Morning, everybody. My name is Stanley Fernandez, Vice President Distribution at BBC Studios, India. It is an absolute pleasure to be here at the Mega Cable Fest organized by the Kerala Communications Private Limited, a trusted partner with whom we've proudly collaborated for over 2 decades. I'd like to thank Mr. Praveen Mohan, President COA, and all the wonderful people at COA for their constant support towards the BBC, and also to Mr. KJ Max, Honorable MLA, and to all my guests on the panel for welcoming us. Today, we gather to celebrate the dynamic transformation in broadcast, digital cable, broadband, and IPTV, an evolution that is reshaping how content is created, distributed, and enjoyed. The BBC is a brand with a rich legacy spanning over 100 years, built on the mission to inform, educate, and entertain, a mission that remains central to everything that we do. Whether through the impartial and trusted reporting of BBC News or the nurturing educational programming of CBBS, the BBC is known for its authentic connection with audiences around the globe. We take pride in being a global organization with local relevance. And we see immense potential in the Indian market where digital media adoption is accelerating. Our strategy is simple: to be where our audiences are and to adapt to the platform that they love. The rapid growth of India's streaming video on demand industry is a testament to this digital revolution. With the sector projected to contribute 50% of new revenue growth and reach a value of 13 billion by 2028, India presents an unparalleled opportunity for global broadcasters like the BBC. Indian audiences are increasingly embracing both localized and international content, making this an ideal market for our offerings such as BBC News and CBBS, which deliver trusted journalism and enriching child-friendly entertainment. To broaden our presence in Asia, we are embracing innovative digital platforms and evolving viewer preferences. This includes exploring opportunities to bring BBC News and CBBS to prominent Indian streaming platforms, providing audiences with seamless access to trusted and engaging content. As the media industry advances, new distribution models such as fast channels are garnering attention. While still in the exploratory phase, we are assessing how this format can align with Asia's dynamic digital landscape, ensuring that our offerings remain accessible and relevant to a wider audience. By doing so, we aim to adapt to emerging trends while upholding our mission to inform, educate, and entertain. Globally, BBC Studios has been at the forefront of digital innovation, successfully launching fast channels that reach millions of viewers every week. These initiatives are designed to complement existing broadcast and digital platforms, delivering curated selections of trusted BBC content that appeals to diverse audiences in respective markets. In India, our focus remains on collaborating with partners to explore new ways of expanding the reach of our brands, ensuring that any new initiative strengthens the current ecosystem. Our goal is to uphold the rich legacy of the BBC while engaging audiences across traditional and emerging platforms in this era of media transformation. BBC News stands out as a beacon of trust with a network of journalists in over 70 countries, including here in India. As the #1 international TV news channel and online news source in India, we are committed to expanding our digital footprint, bringing the vital global and local perspectives to more viewers on streaming platforms. At the same time, CBeebies continues to engage young audiences through its focus on education, creativity, and inclusivity, supporting children's development while entertaining them. With partnerships like Sony BBC Earth, BBC Player, and BBC Kids on Amazon Prime Video channels, we are already making significant inroads in the linear and streaming space. And we are excited about scaling our presence further through innovative collaborations. India is an incredibly exciting and evolving market for broadcast, digital cable, broadband, and IPTV. And we at BBC Studios are thrilled to be part of this journey. The energy, innovation, and potential in the space is unparalleled, and I look forward to engaging with all of you during my time at this market, hearing your insights and exploring new opportunities. I'm also joined by my colleagues, Sohan, Manager of Channels and Streaming in South India, and Manoj Mehta, Director of Channels and Streaming. I encourage you to visit our stand and connect with them to learn more about our offerings and partnership opportunities. And finally, I do want to extend my gratitude to all our partners who have carried the BBC brands on your platform. Your business and support over the years have been invaluable, and we look forward to continuing this journey together as we navigate the future of media. Thank you. Let's work together to bring stories that inform, entertain, and inspire audiences across India and beyond. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley Fernandez, for your wonderful words, and it's been an honor you guys are be here to associate with a wonderful brand.